A pair, one by one, to represent different states of India. Jammu and Kashmir, situated in the northernmost part of India in the world famous Great Himalayas. Kashmir is the diadem of India. Famous for its lakes, it is a major tourist attraction. Mesmerized by its Shangri-La-like beauty, Led Zeppelin, the rock band, while they were roaming the deserts of Morocco, named their renowned composition Kashmir after the name of this state. Next pair on the stage represents West Bengal. The state is located in the eastern part of India and has Kolkata, the country's second largest city, for its capital. Kolkata is arguably the art capital of India with countless tasteful galleries and museums. It was once the heart of the independence movement. On a lighter note, I would like to say, this is the place you want to be if you ever feel the need to satiate your sweet tooth. This pair on the stage represents the state Tamil Nadu. Located in southern India, it is supposed to have the last surviving classical civilization of the world, the Tamil civilization. It is home to 3 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Chennai, the state's capital, boasts of the longest urban beach in Asia, that's the Marina Beach. Maharashtra. Situated in western part of India, Maharashtra is famous for its forts, caves, beaches and hill stations. Mumbai, the state's capital and the country's commercial capital, has the distinction of being the biggest city in India and is host to Bollywood, India's glamorous film capital, as you all know. The recent Academy Award winning movie Slumdog Millionaire was shot on the streets of Mumbai. State is here to represent Kerala. The state is situated in southernmost part of India. It is full of sprawling plantations, paddy fields and historic and cultural monuments. Kerala is famous for its tranquil stretches of emerald backwaters, lush hill stations, waterfalls and exotic wildlife which will hold you spellbound. No wonder it is referred to as God's own country. Gujarat, located in the western part of India, the vibrancy of Gujarat reflects everything from the plethora of color and culture to the meddling of old and new in this dynamic state. Mahatma Gandhi, the pioneer of Indian independence movement, hails from this particular state. This pair on the stage represents traditional attire for the Navratri festival that goes on for 9 nights. Represents the state Punjab. This state, located in the northern west part of India, Punjab, called as land of 5 rivers and yellow fields, is a treasured trove for any ardent tourist. Punjab boasts of its historical embodiments, prime example of which is Golden Temple. This pair on stage depicts typical attire worn in Punjab for a dance called Bhangra. Represents Andhra Pradesh. Situated in the southeastern part of India, Andhra Pradesh is called the rice bowl of India. Hyderabad, the state's capital, is known for its IT services. In spite of being 400 years old, it has a perfect balance of historic architecture and modern infrastructure. However, it is most famous for the biryani, a culinary delight with a history that goes back hundreds of years.